Hello, the third operation is multiplication. So without any further ado, let's get stuck in. Pause the video if you want to have a go at these, otherwise just listen on. Right, let's start with number 1, the mild multiplication. We're going to set it out in a chimney sum formation. 423 multiplied by 2. Make sure that you show that operation, a multiplication symbol, so we know what type of calculation it is that you've done. So we're going to start with our 2 and we're going to multiply the 2 with the smallest bit of the top number, which is the units. 2 times 3 is 6. So that's going in the units column. Now let's multiply the 2 by the tens. 2 times 2 is 4. And finally, we're going to multiply the 2 by the hundredths bit of the number. 2 times 4 is 8. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's your mild calculation done. Let's move on to the medium one. 243 multiplied by 3. Of course, to do these calculations, you need to have a good knowledge of your times tables facts. The better you know your facts, the easier you'll find these calculations. Okay, so this time we're multiplying by 3, so we'll take the 3 and multiply by the units. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we're going to multiply that 3 by the tens. 3 times 4 is 12. So here we have that problem. We can't put 12 in the tens column because we can only have a single digit there. So we need to separate the 12 and we're going to put the 2 tens here and the 10 tens, which is 100, we're going to pop up there in the hundreds column. 12. Right, let's do the last bit of the multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6, and add that one, don't forget about it, is 7. So we've got our answer, 729. Let's move on to the hot multiplication. 678 multiplied by 8. I'm going to extend my line a little bit for this one because I think the answer is going to be quite big. You will be using Reverend Ruler. Right, 8 times table. How's your 8 times tables? Have you been practicing? Let's see how we get on. So we're going to start by multiplying this digit with the units. So 8 times 8 is 64. I ate and ate till I was sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. So a 2-digit answer. So we're going to partition that. We're going to put the 4 units there and the 6 tens will pop in our tens column so we don't forget about them. It's really important, primary 5s, that you show these workings on your calculation. Don't try and just remember it. You must show it. Right. Oh good, it's my favourite times table fact. 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Add our 6 gives us 62, another 2-digit number. So we're going to put our 2 tens there and our 6 we're going to put there in the hundreds column. Now we've got the last bit, 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48, but we've got these 6 here, so we add those 6 on. 48 add 6 gives us 54. Let's put the comma in to help us read that number. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is 5,424. Well done if you got that right. This is something that we need to keep practicing. The more often you do these calculations, the better you will get. But knowing your times table facts is key. Next, we'll be moving on to division.